Okay, so I want to walk through one math lesson with you pretty quickly. So again, I would start with your classes, click on the subject that you're going to work on that particular time, and then click on the unit. Now, for this particular student, we're going to start with Unit 2, and then click on the first lesson here. You always want to start at the beginning and then work your way down as you're progressing because the concepts will build on each other. So we're going to click on this first one. Now, it's important if you are the parent to sit with your child and read this, make sure that they know what they're doing. In this particular unit, there will be a project that students will work on. And then here, they will rate their excitement. So this is something that you probably want to do with them. If they need help reading it, sometimes there are tools here that will read them for you, and then you can always have it read aloud. It'll start.
Biography of a number. Project description.
So it'll start at the beginning and read it kind of robotic, but it will read it to them. So that is helpful. They're going to select their answer and then push submit and then go on to the next lesson. Now within here, there's going to be lots of concepts to build on, and then sometimes it will give you pages to work on. So these you click on and they open in an ebook. Now within this, students will work on concepts in their ebook. And it's similar to having a math book in class, right? If you need help completing things, you can do that on a scratch paper. And then there will be some practice questions, and oftentimes there's multiple of them. And then when you're done, you'll move on to the next one, or if that's it for the day, you'll be moving on to your next subject. So I hope that helps. If you need any help, please reach out to me. Thanks.